Do you share the same ambition as Tesla, Toyota, Volvo, BYD, and many others to accelerate the use of mega or giga casting components in your vehicles? Or are you still struggling with filling and solidification issues during tryout? Are your castings often going out of tolerance? Or are you experiencing unexpected short die life? If so, you may also be facing a large number of prototypes, high manufacturing costs, long time to market, part quality below expectations, and ultimately, low margins. If this sounds familiar, it's time to switch to Keysight's Casting Simulation ProCAST. ProCAST brings together more than 35 years of proven flow, solidification, and stress-solving technology, outstanding solver scalability for short turnaround times, and an intuitive graphical workflow. With ProCAST, you benefit from reliable prediction of filling, solidification, and distortion defects, a finite element-based stress solver for accurate distortion and die fatigue analysis, real-time piston control and local back pressure calculation, and intuitive modeling from standard parts all the way to gigacastings. During the die design stage, ProCAST helps you to optimize gating design, select the most suitable die casting machine, optimize the number of cavities, and evaluate the die and cooling system. In process validation, you can analyze full die thermal cycling, including real cooling and heating channel flow, real spraying and air blowing, and the thermal impact of part ejection. After optimizing the die, ProCAST guides you through the filling stage with dosing and filling using real piston curves and consideration of local in-mold counterpressure. You can evaluate key filling-related defects such as gas pressure, oxides, and air entrainment. Then, during solidification, ejection, and air cooling, you can simulate solidification and intensification, locate, measure, and export porosity, and assess the influence of squeezing on porosity. Critical aspects to verify include stress distribution in the casting, global displacements caused by thermal effects, spring back after ejection, and die fatigue life. ProCAST is widely adopted in the automotive industry for its unmatched capability to model and analyze the gigacasting process. This includes excellent large model handling, accurate flow, thermal, and stress solvers, highly accurate distortion prediction, fast turnaround through scalable solvers, support for post-cast treatments, use across all engineering stages, from early design to pre-production, one unique environment for filling, solidification, ejection, and distortion analysis, a comprehensive material database with thermodynamic database integration for easy alloy characterization, and real-time piston control, linked to the selected die casting machine for realistic motion under counterpressure. Beyond manufacturing, ProCAST results can be directly integrated into vehicle performance and crash simulations, essential for these kind of components which are difficult or impossible to replace after an impact. ProCAST, your solution for die thermal cycling, dosing, and real-time piston control, gas pressure and air entrainment prediction, porosity evaluation, final shape assessment, dimensional accuracy, and die fatigue life estimation. Your benefits include, amongst others, early evaluation of castability risks, the ability to select the most appropriate die casting machine from an extensive database, unlimited virtual tryout, reduced physical tryout loops, improved yield, shorter time to market, and last but not least, higher production rates and margins. ProCAST, turn casting complexity into casting confidence.